Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be another video of new shit. So I am not going to make this video long and drawn out. As you can see, I'm doing the neutral look today, nothing real fancy, just because I got my package in the mail. I actually got this on Saturday. Today is Tuesday. I got it on Saturday and I wanted to show you guys what I got and just do an initial unboxing and a swatch video. So let's get into it. This is, if you've watched my my video on what I want to try in 2018, this is one of the items and it finally came back in stock and I'm so glad that I was able to pick it up. This is the Makeup for Melanin Girls glitter palette. The shipping wasn't too long. It really only took about a few days to come. So let me go ahead and open this up. This is the box that it came in. I'm gonna hide my information, but it came in a box like this, just a plain old brown box, and I'm gonna use my scissors to open it. I got really excited when this came, so I wanted to have my initial review with you guys on camera. And it just comes in some bubble wrap, and then what is this? Just the shipping information, and then that's about it. Comes in bubble wrap, and then we have the palette here. So this is how she comes when you first get her. And let me take this sleeve off. Oh wow. The colors in here are bomb. But of course I say that about everything. So this is how the palette looks. And then you have your information on the back. It has all the ingredients. Yeah, it's cruelty-free, recyclable, 12-month shelf life, and cruelty-free. Well, the cruelty-free stamp on there. So this is what the back looks like, and then this is what the front looks like. Nothing too fancy. It's just kind of like, you know, your everyday sleek black packaging. Nothing too fancy. And then these are all of the colors. The pan sizes are huge for what I thought they were gonna be. So this is what it looks like. None of the colors have any names on them. So I guess you just have to, you know, go for what you know. So yeah, I don't have, this is actually my first glitter pressed palette. I do have a few eyeshadows from Glitter Elixir Cosmetics that were, let's see if I can find them right quick. Hopefully it's right here. They were pressed. Here's one. Okay, so, and just ignore everything on here because this is pigments and glitter, but this is from Glitter Elixir Cosmetics. I haven't really seen anything new from them. That's why I went ahead and ordered this, but they also sell pressed glitters, and this is really old, but this is one of their pressed glitters, Hydra, and it comes in a pan size like this. So I guess these are about the same. Let me see if they're the same pan size. Makeup for Melanin Girls is, oh, it's magnetic. Okay. Makeup for Melanin Girls is a little bit bigger, but like I said, I don't have an official, this is my official first pressed glitter palette. That is a mouthful. So, and I'll leave Glitter Elixirs information down below too if you want to check them out. I don't think, like I said, I haven't been on the website in a while, but I also haven't seen anything new from them on Instagram, because that's where I usually would have found information on them. That's where I follow them at. But you guys can check them out and see if they have any. I don't think they have any pressed palettes, but don't get me wrong on that. So let's just swatch a few of these. Let me stop talking and I'm gonna swatch a few of these. Oh wow, they're really easy, like they're really creamy and easy to come off. Well, you know, not come off, but okay, I'm not sure how you're, this is the problem that I have with pressed glitters, because this is why I haven't ordered any more pressed glitters after Glitter Elixirs. Like, how do you get this shit to actually come off right? Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, how do you actually get the payoff that you want? I guess you just have to kind of work fast. Because, see, it's kind of like globbing up on my fingers, but it's also coming off here. So, how do you get it to where it has like smooth application? I guess that's what I'm trying to say. Like, if anybody knows, please help a sister out. How do I get these to work right? But the colors are beautiful and bomb. I don't want to feel like I'm kind of fucking this palette up already, but maybe I just, oh, okay. Maybe I just wasn't grabbing. I just wasn't grabbing enough. But that's what the gold looks like. I don't want to grab too much because I do want to use this palette, you know what I'm saying? So, let's just grab another color. I'm going to do this blue right here. This is a really bomb ass blue. That right there, if you can see that. And then let's just swatch this pink one right here. Yeah, this one's a little hard. It's a weird color. Oh, wow. I like the color though. That's a bomb ass pink. Well, it's coming off. Oh, there we go. There we go. So I guess I just have to kind of play around with it and see how I can get it to work for me. But yeah, I like these so far. Let me just swatch. This is the last one I'm gonna swatch. I feel like I'm kind of fucking this up a little bit, but swatch this orange. This orange is really pretty. So yeah, this one is gorgeous. I can't wait to play in all of them, and I will be doing a follow-up video so you guys can see application. Again, this was just an unboxing, kind of like first impressions video, so you guys can see what it looks like. Do I recommend it? I mean, if you want to buy a pressed glitter palette, I definitely would recommend it. The price, I want to say it was $39.99, but let me check right quick. Don't get me the line on that shit. I'm not even spelling shit right, that's why. So the palette is $39.99. It is sold out again. This is what I'm looking at here. It's sold out again. So just make sure if you do want to get the palette, make sure that you sign up for emails. I think that's what I did. I signed up for emails and they let me know when it came back in stock. And you can also follow them on Instagram at Makeup for Melanin Girls. And yeah, I think that is going to be it. They have better swatches on their Instagram. People have done swatches for them, so you can check out better swatches of the palette. Jackie Aina has also reviewed the palette as well. Just giving y'all my honest opinion about this. I definitely fuck with this palette. I would recommend it. It is a little high for a glitter palette, but I think it'll be worth it. Honestly, I think it will be worth it. I just blah blah blah. I gotta play around with it to see, you know, see how I like it and how the application is. But yeah, I don't have anything negative to say about the palette right now. The palette feels very, very sturdy. You are getting, well, it says the net weight. I don't know the size of the actual pan, but it says the net weight is 80 grams or 2.5 ounces. So I'm guessing that is all of the pans combined. I'm not sure how deep the pans are, so I'm not sure how many applications or uses you could actually get out of the pan. But like I said, over time I will be using this palette, and then I'll come back to you guys and let you know how I like it. So definitely stay tuned for another video of an actual eye look with this palette. And that's it. I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. Leave any questions, concerns, criticism. I take all of it, the good with the bad, down below in the comment section. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, because I do post looks on Instagram as well. And Snapchat, you can follow me on Snapchat. I've gotten a few new followers on Snapchat, so thank you to you guys who are following me on Snapchat now. Thank you to everybody who's following me on Instagram, and I definitely want to thank everybody who is following me on who has subscribed to me on YouTube. I think I just passed 250 subscribers, so let's make it 500 so we can do another giveaway. And I don't know why I'm beating my hand, but I think that's it. Now that's it. I'm done talking. I'm gonna shut the fuck up. But yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video.